Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can set a picture to be your password. Without going any further, let's start by opening settings. Then go on account. Then go on sign in options. Then as you can see we have so many password types, so click on picture password. Then go on add. Then you will see the bar for your usual password, then type it in. Now go on choose picture. Now choose wherever picture you would wish to use. This is how it will appear, then you will see all this steps showing up, so this means you will have to choose your sides that you will click on every time you open your computer through this picture. Then let's click on our sides that we wish to make our password. Then after repeat them in, remember this are the sides you will always first click in other to open your computer, then after setting them, click on finish. So which means now if you lock your computer you will first need to set it in order to continue. I can't show it to you because I can't record putting in my password. Yet it actually works, so thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.